Birth injuries in New York are very common, unfortunately, and what they usually refer to is either cerebral palsy or Erb's palsy. Cerebral palsy usually occurs when the baby does not get enough oxygen to their brain during the birthing process. And when a mother is giving birth or throughout the entire pregnancy, there are certain indications. For example, during the birth, there are fetal heart monitoring strips, and those strips show how much oxygen the baby is getting at every juncture of the birthing process. So if the doctors are even slightly negligent by leaving the mother unattended or by caring for another patient in the bed next door, then an attorney armed with those fetal heart monitoring strips can get them reviewed by a pediatric neurologist or other specialists to prove that the cerebral palsy or the developmental delay that led to a lifelong injury was caused not just by fate, but it was caused by the doctor's mistake. And that's huge for these kinds of cases. The number one mistake parents make if they suspect a birth injury is just either waiting too long or doing nothing, maybe thinking that the injury is going to go away by itself, or just thinking that maybe it was inevitable, maybe it was fate. But what you really should do is get a lawyer. The lawyer can get all the medical records, they can work together with a specialist, and they can tell you for sure if there was or was not a mistake. So that's always the best course of action, especially because it costs you nothing, and you'll know. Even if you don't have a case and somebody tells you, there was no malpractice, even if you get that answer, you'll be content because you'll know the answer and you won't have to wonder anymore. Hi, my name is ATTY Freckman of Freckman & Associates, attorneys and counselors at law, with offices in Manhattan and Brooklyn, New York. If you've been injured in any type of accident or serious injury, please call us for a free consultation.